Welcome to this moment of grounding practice, which is designed to help our brains shift into a calmer and more focused state. And this time, the practice is centered around the sense of sound. Over the next few minutes, we will use the sound around us to reconnect to the present moment. You'll find a comfortable position where you can sit or stand peacefully. You may choose to close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze to minimize distractions. Take a moment to settle in. Now begin by taking a deep, slow breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and then gently exhale through your mouth. And as you continue to breathe naturally, gently shift your attention to the sounds that surround you. And notice the layers of sounds, from the most obvious to the subtle. It could be the sound of your own breathing. It could be the distant hum of traffic, or the gentle rustling of leaves, or the birds singing outside. Each sound can be a reminder of the present moment, your connection to the here and now. And as you focus on these sounds, try to listen without judgment or analysis. There is no need to label the sounds as pleasant or unpleasant, or to imagine their sources. Simply listen to them as they are, letting them come and go. And if your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the sounds. Let these sounds anchor you in the present, helping you to cultivate a sense of calm and focus. Take a few moments to enjoy the state of mindful listening. Feel the space you're in, both internally and externally, through these sounds. Now, as we conclude this practice, take a deep breath in and hold for a few moments. And keep holding it, keep holding, and exhale slowly. And whenever you feel ready, gently open your eyes or lift your gaze. And I invite you to notice how you feel now. You can carry this sense of awareness and calm with you as you transition back into your day. Remember that you can return to the state of mindful listening anytime you need a moment of peace.